I wanted something a little different. Sometimes the snowmen are always painted white, but I wanted something clear. The supplies needed include 3 different sized clear Christmas bulbs, 2 buttons, a scarf, an old belt, a hat pick, a wooden stand, cotton balls, white acrylic paint. Glue all of the bulbs together, the small one to the medium and the medium to the large. Now the thing that I would have done different, I would have painted my wooden block all white before I attached the large bulb to the wooden piece. We got a hat pick from Michael's, and in order for it to fit on the head decently, and I kind of wanted it at the side, I didn't want it, at the top. Need to give a little, pizzazz to the snowman. There's styrofoam inside, and I hot glued it on top of the small bulb. Then I cut about 10 inches of the black and white scarf from Dollar Tree, and I just tied it around the neck of the snowman. I looked in my stash. I found 2 buttons. I hot glued those to the mid part, and I thought, you know what? The snowman needs a belt on. So I had an old belt that I was just going to toss anyway, and I took that and cinched it around the waist to keep those bulbs up. I think it turned out pretty good. I put cotton balls to represent snow around the base, and I think the snowman looks pretty modern. So if you like what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment if you so please. The morning isn't something that we should dread. Learn how to wake up and be happy. Learn to live life to its fullest and wake up with a smile every single day. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.